let it rain, or should I say let it snow purple, since the Christmas tree is behind me. I'm so excited to show you this purple super simple nail art tutorial that I did myself. First, I'm gonna show you the nail polish products that I'm using. The first and most essential product in my opinion is the ASP Make It Peelable Gel Nail Polish. Yes, this is a peelable base coat. So when you do your gel nails at home and you don't want to deal with the whole wrapping them in foil and all that, you use ASP Make It Peelable. I have a video on how to use that right here, or maybe right here. But basically, you curate it when you put the nail polish and you peel off your nail polish, your gel nail polish, instead of again doing that whole long arduous process that you do when you get your nails done either at home or at a manicurist the old-fashioned gel polish way. Get it at Sally Beauty. I recommend it. That's how I do all of my nails. The next step is this beautiful ASP gel polish in a lilac. It's called Enchantment, and it is a beautiful lilac purple. For the nail art, the actual nail art design, I'm using Beetles, my eyesight. I'm using a Beetles color. It's a purple color. I believe it's called Plum. I will leave that in the description below. I got this on Amazon. And this is basically this deep purple that is the lines on my nails. And of course, the piece of resistance is the actual top coat, the ASP top coat. And this is the last piece of the pie. You curate this as well, and then you're all done with your gel polish, peelable gel polish manicure, purple rain snow manicure. So let's get to actually painting my nails.
I can't do nothing with you.
That's it. That's how you get this super simple purple perpendicular line design. Sorry I didn't show the perpendicular line. I thought the camera was recording and it actually wasn't. This is super simple, super easy on the go. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more fashion, beauty, nail art, self-concept, all the things for our fabulosity to ignite our inner goddess. I'll see you soon. Bye.